Hello, I'm Elif. Today I'm going to talk about my interface design of washing machine for ID242 Ergonomics. This is my prototype. I made it with oluplu and paper, cardboard. And I have an extra application for my interface for my washing machine. I will turn my camera so we can talk about together and examine it. Let's take a look at my prototype. Yep. In my washing machine interface design, I use rotary knob and push button as controls. To start the digital interface of the washing machine, you should push the button which has this icon. Then the digital screen will open. It is evident in the design that I attached importance to the order in the control groups. For example, program selection are made analogously in this part. Then the temperature, speed, and extra feature in this part. And finally, timing and starting parts. So you can work your washing machine like this. For example, I want to wash delicate clothes. First of all, I should start my digital screen. So I push here. My digital screen is open. Let's our lighting. Then I turn the knob to the delicates. Then I will choose the heat. Delicates. For delicates, 40 will be enough, I guess. I'm not sure. And speed will be 600. I don't want to use extremes. I'm sorry about for this additional S. I'm sorry. This was a mistake. And I want to press easy to iron feature. I don't want to delay, so I will start the washing machine. Yep. You can use these parts like this, or you can drag your finger like this, increasing. This is both work for in this design because it's a digital touch screen here. Yep, on the digital screen, you can touch the relevant area to increase temperature and speed settings. Depending on the increase in temperature, there is a hue transition from orange to red. Here, a similarity is established between the system and the real world, and metaphorically, colors are used. In addition, increasingly tight lines are drawn to show that the speed increased in the speed setting. You can see there are more tighter, denser lines in the highest speed. This feature is also a metaphor. To comply with heuristic standards and ensure consistency, the temperature and the speed increase was made to right direction. In this direction, the rising graph view shows the user that the temperature and speed settings have increased, like this. Another feature is another important feature is the icons, as seen in the experience: pre-wash, eco-wash, easy to iron, or this icon and this icon. For example, the plus icon indicates that an extra is added in the additional rinse feature. We can understand this is extra, or we can see there is a leaf in the eco wash, because eco wash is eco-friendly, so we can conclude it what it is. Also, here is an icon of iron. We can understand it's about ease of use, ease of iron use. These icons make meaning easier by linking features with real life, match between real life and interface. The timer part of this design was made at 1 hour intervals and in multiples of 15 minutes. There are 2 arrows for each hour and minute part. These arrows are setting for the timer, as in the heuristic standards, increasing and decreasing. The time is consistent with the direction of the arrows. These are the increasing, because arrows look up, and these are the decreasing arrows because they are looking downward. You can change in the digital screen, like pushing like this, or you can switch it like this, because this is a digital screen, but in here in our prototype we want to show it like this. When you use my prototype, I will change like that, because I don't have a digital screen to show that. Also, this is a mock-up, so we can change it like this. The start and the pause button is used when you want to start washing machine to wash. It has starting and stopping signs similar to the icons I mentioned earlier. Once the washing machine is started, it can be stopped. You can add the laundry and start again. Moreover, even if you want to cancel the program altogether, for example, when you choose the wrong program, you can hold start button 3 seconds to cancel the program. So you can remake program again. Yeah. So you can programming again. It is providing user freedom, which is heuristic 3. Mistakes can be made and there are solutions. In addition to this, I also designed a fun application for my interface. This application includes yep. In addition to this design, I also designed a phone application. This application includes every feature in the washing machine interface and allows you to run the machine from the phone, even if you have not set the machine's timer while you are away. This application also has user manual, the errors, the meaning of the errors, and what you should do. Thank you for listening. We will see each other on the interview videos again. See you later.